Welcome everybody to Microsoft Excel 2016 data visualization. In today's tutorial we will visualize additional data from a data set into a bar or a column graph as it is commonly known today, and it is as follows. Over here I have a previously created bar graph. You will notice as soon as I click onto the graph itself, columns C and D highlights. In order to include columns E and F, which are the additional data types, we simply move our cursor over here and wait till it changes into a double-sided arrow. We left click and we drag to the right. And as you can see, the additional data now appears inside the bar graph. Now, in order to change the names of the series on your right hand side, we left click and then right click and left click on select data. Series 1, which will be your population from column D, you simply click on that and it gets changed to the name as it appears in column D, which is population, which I will do for you right now. Click OK. Series 2, which will be the resident foreigners in each city, you left click on series 2, edit, and in this case we'll make everything much more simple and just type in there foreigners. Then for series 3, which will be the amount of vehicles in each city, the same process is followed. So all three series has had their names changed, as you can see, and as you can see the color represents each series type. So population will be the blue, foreigners to its appropriate color, and vehicles. And that is how you add additional data into a bar graph. If you found this tutorial helpful to you in your workplace or in your studies, please like and subscribe to my channel.